Hi and welcome. This is Jules Muller, founder and CEO of Chicks Connect, and we're on January week 2 talking about a positive mindset. Many of you who filled out the survey stated that you are challenged with negative thinking and unworthy, undeserving thoughts that sometimes spiral out of control and keep you stuck. In my journey of personal growth and development, I learned the following phrases: stinkin' thinkin', mind frick, negative self-talk. You may have others that you have heard or regularly use. Go ahead and write them above in the blank space. Write down a few examples of what you tell yourself that keeps you stuck. These may be closely related to last week's lesson on limiting beliefs. Sometimes our limiting beliefs turn into stinkin' thinkin'. We have carried these stories for long enough. It is time to use strategies to create a positive mindset. I'll list some that I have used in the past, and I encourage you to write down your own as well as any suggestions from your sister chicks. Then decide which one you will try first and make a commitment with an accountability partner. Keep a scorecard. How many negative thoughts were you able to turn around, and which strategy did you use? Which strategy works best for you? Positive mindset strategies. Number 1, thank the mind frick for coming, acknowledge that it's there, and let it know that you don't need it anymore and it's free to move on. Then replace the mind frick with the desired positive thought. Number 2, write down any negative self-talk on a piece of paper throughout the week. At the end of the week, hold a burning ceremony and toss them all into the fire and let them go. You aren't responsible for holding on to them anymore. Create a positive mindset journal and catch yourself speaking kindly and lovingly to yourself. Write down what you said to yourself, date it, and give it a time. If you want to write more, explain how it feels when you show yourself love and grace. Cody Bateman, founder and CEO of Sendout Cards, would say, if you're going to lie to yourself, why not tell the right lies? Meaning, if you're going to tell yourself that you aren't good enough or undeserving, that's just a flat-out lie. So why not let that go and replace it with, I am perfect as I am. I am deserving of all that comes my way. I am a top money earner and I am making a huge impact. Number 5. My 9th grade summer, I attended a leadership camp and we learned about positive mental attitude, PMA. Since then, I've been encouraging my coaching and organizing clients to set up their PMA each morning with a morning routine. What do you need to do each morning to set yourself up for success? Meditation, prayer, journal, coffee or tea, healthy breakfast, exercise, etc. I encourage my clients to identify the activities that put them into the best mood and the most positive mindset so they can achieve PMA. Now it's your turn. What strategies have you and your chapter members tried? List those here. Are you ready to feed your mind with loving, positive thoughts? We would love to hear your success stories. Enjoy this positive mindset activity and have a super week. Sending all of you love and hugs.